Giving a brief message today about aging well. Aging well means getting to the root cause of disease and fixing these underlying systems that, when left unchecked, can contribute to chronic disease. So, what are these underlying causes that we really work on? So, when you go to a functional medicine practitioner, we use the latest science, the best of science and research, apply it to clinical practice to get better outcomes, to get great outcomes where we can be preventative with these chronic diseases that many times high blood pressure, high blood sugars are slowly creeping up and are not noticed because we're on standard labs. They're only looking at the reference ranges. We want to be looking at the optimal numbers, not just seeing if something is in the range. And we want to be going more in depth with many blood tests to look at inflammation, liver detoxification, vitamins and minerals and nutrient status, the omegas, fatty acids profile. So a very good lab like LabCorp or Quest can really use in-depth blood testing. If you know what labs to order and if you know the optimal numbers, you can really reach pinnacle levels of health. And then incorporating the gut microbiome, where we're going to do excellent advanced testing using DNA PCR analysis to combine both blood testing, advanced blood testing, with these advanced markers of aging, DNA, oxidative stress. We're looking at fatty acid profiles, which really helps with cellular membrane communication. We're going to be looking at liver detoxification. There's different systems in the body that we know now, and we can look into those with advanced blood testing, and we can support those with nutritional lifestyle interventions and targeted nutrients. So, what we want to be doing is looking more deeply into these underlying causes of aging. And what we look at is definitely insulin resistance, insulin and cortisol. That's the adrenal glands. We want to find that balance and look into that deeply with lab testing and different types of testing, because cortisol can be measured more accurately through saliva. But combining that salivary adrenal testing with thyroid and other hormones, you can really optimize a person's hormone communication, and making sure that their vitamins and minerals and nutrients are optimized makes a huge difference in preventing and being proactive with making sure that these chronic diseases don't sneak up on us. So that is what integrative medicine is. And this is why we have this South Florida Integrative Health Center, where we could use the latest science, evidence-based, look at all the science that we've seen going through the decades. The last 30 years in functional medicine has brought down a lot of good science on nutrition, on vitamins, minerals, targeted nutrients, antioxidants, and these activated nutrients like resveratrol and quercetin that really get into our system in a way that can stop and really help us with inflammation and oxidative stress, which are two major components of not aging well when those are left unchecked. So if you have any questions, please reach out to South Florida Integrative Health Center. You can leave any comments where you see this live video or on a replay, and direct message, and check out our website, which is listed there on the side. Everyone have a healthy, happy day.